Dude, that cup.
Estoy caminando con mis piojos. Queso en la playa.
Cheese on the beach. Today we're going to teach you how to open a beer with the lighter. So we can't twist this off. It's a Modelo, you know, can't twist it off. Okay. So if you smoke, you're gonna have a lighter, obviously. You see this? Okay. So all you gotta do is put your handle here, go down, put the lighter here. Make sure it claps. Okay. Make sure it's nice and steady. You can twist it up here, but if you want a better grip, you go here, and then you just. Once you hear that popping sound, it's Modelo time, fool.
Bro, I'm shaking. I'm gonna die. Oh yeah, you gave me the sticker that says movement. Magenta. I got the sushi one. Ooh. They were so cute. Magenta and red. I'm playing Valorant with hair dye in my hair. It's the next day and I I sectioned my hair and I'm gonna do another session of dyeing it red.
It's like our wands from Harry Potter. Isn't she so precious?
It all started in the summer.
I guess we want to. I'll be your stroller.
I knew that
Guys, I just smelled Heaven's feet and they smell so good.
used to hang out with friends. Yeah. I told it that we couldn't see.
My nose and have it come out my mouth.
Ew, no. No way. Wait. No, don't do that. I don't want to do that.
Need you, need you. I just can't stop. You keep coming back.
I forgot to change. I'll do that after this.
You make me feel high. You make me feel like I can fly. Oh baby, what you doing to me? Doing to me. Doing to me. Doing to me. You make me feel good. You make me feel high. You make me feel like I can fly. Oh baby, what you doing to me? Doing to me. Doing to me. Yeah. We're making eyes across the room. Whoa. Looking away, it's so cliche. No one's got a clue. Whoa. Now the games we play, we ain't ever gonna quit it. No. Sneaking around, can't get found. Ain't never gonna admit it. No. We go round and round. I just can't stop. I can't let go. Need you, need you. I just can't stop. You keep coming back, 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 back. You make me feel good. You make me feel high. You make me feel like I can fly. Oh baby, what you doing to me? Doing to me. Doing to me. Doing to me. You make me feel good. You make me feel high. You make me feel like I can fly. Oh baby, what you doing to me? Doing to me.
It's 9 p.m. We just got home. Shopping was unsuccessful. I'm gonna take off my makeup. Before I get some food, I'm gonna exfoliate my face actually. I'm using physical exfoliator and then an oat cleansing balm. It's like an oil cleanser. I had makeup on all day and haven't exfoliated in like 2 weeks. Then I'm gonna go do my skincare routine. Bye besties. I got something in my eye.
To me.